Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how we can accept user input. In Python, we accept user input using the input function. Input is a built-in function that allows you to accept user input from the keyboard. When you use the input function, it prompts the user to enter some text or value, and then it waits for the user to type something followed by pressing the enter key. Let's say we want to ask the user his name. We do so by using the input function followed by some string inside the function to let the user know what we are asking them. Now, let's ask the user to type his name, then add some string to it and display the result. To accomplish this, initially we need to store the user's input in a variable. Let's first declare the variable user input and ask the user to enter his name. What's your name?
What's your name? What?
Then print hello. Here we are concatenating two strings because the user input is in a string format. User input. Run this program. What's your name? Tony.
Tony!
Hello, Tony. The value entered by user is returned as a string. So if we want to perform mathematical operations on the user input, such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division, we typically need to convert the input from a string to a numeric data type, like an integer or a float. Let's write a program that asks the user to enter a number, doubles that number, and then prints the result. Here, we declare a variable, asks the user to enter a number, enter a number. Here we use the int function to convert the string stored in user input to an integer. This process is called typecasting. Typecasting means changing the data type of a value from one type to another. In this case, we are converting the string input from the user into an integer so that we can perform mathematical operation on it. And then we will create another variable, multiply the user input by 2. And finally, we will print this value twice. The number you entered is result. So enter a number 3 twice the number 36. So yeah, this is for today. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe.